Confluence makes it easy for your team to create and collaborate. But as your content grows, it gets harder to tell which pages are finished, reviewed, and approved. That's where Comala Document Management for Cloud comes in. It adds review and approval workflows to your Confluence pages, so every page tells you exactly where it stands. Let's take a look. Here's a page that needs sign-off. Apply a workflow, and the page shows its current state. For example, in Review. Open the Workflow State dialog from the page byline to find every action in one place. Now assign a reviewer. Reviewers are automatically notified on screen and by email when the page needs their attention. Once they approve, the page moves to the next stage on its own, all the way through to approved or published. Need more than one person to sign off? Add multiple reviewers and set how the decision is reached. You can even require e-signatures, so each sign-off is tied to a verified identity. When approved content needs updating, just edit the page. Comala sends it back into review or draft, so nothing changes without a fresh sign-off. You can also set an expiry date. When it arrives, the page moves to an expired state and everyone watching is notified, which works well for annual reviews. Comala Document Management also keeps a record of everything. The document activity report shows every approval with the name, date, and time and exports to CSV. You can also drop reporting macros directly onto a page to show state, approvals, and activity in real time. Every team works differently, so you can build workflows your way. Start from a built-in template like basic approval, content expiry, or quality management system. Customize it or create your own. Use the no-code visual builder editor to add states, approvals, and triggers, or switch to the JSON editor for more control. Edit in either one, and your changes stay in sync. The app also works in dark mode. Apply a workflow to a single page or across an entire space, and use content labels to point different workflows at different documents in the same space. Comala Document Management also integrates with other apps, including Comala Publishing, which can publish your approved content automatically. Use the Dashboard Hub integration to track metrics and build detailed reports with reporting for Confluence. That covers how reviews, approvals, status, reporting, and workflows work in Comala Document Management for Cloud. Visit the Documentation Center at support.appfire.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.